All right, let's go to the courts next. Accused number 1 in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial, Muzi Sibiya, says he was assaulted and coerced into pointing out a certain area. This is the version his lawyer advocate Thulani Mngomezulu put to witness Lieutenant Colonel Nkosikhona Hadebe. Hadebe conducted the pointings out with Sibiya on the 5th of June in 2020. Hadebe was the latest witness in the trial within a trial to establish whether the alleged confessions and pointings out should be admissible in the main trial. So let's talk to SABC News reporter Sipho Kekana now to bring us the very latest from the courts today. And this is, we keep dubbing it a trial within a trial, but we cannot move forward with the main trial, so to speak, until a lot of these sometimes technicalities, but also clarifications are sorted out.
That's correct, Iman, and good evening. So today, Sibiya has denied leading the police to the area where these pointings out took place and says he was forced to go there.
When we were transporting him from Albertine to Vosloorus, he said, if you can take me to the entrance of Vosloorus. Is that what you said?
That's true.
If that is the case, which entrance are you talking about in Vosloorus? To which entrance did you take the accused to?
That is the entrance next to the shopping complex.
Mr. Sibiya is going to deny that he gave you the directions to that particular place where you allege he has made a pointing out. He will deny that.
My Lord, I would not have known those points if they were not pointed out by him.
Did he actually instruct the driver to turn right, left, stop?
My Lord, we took him to, he said we must take him to the entrance. From that area, he said, now I see. And then he directed it.
The accused will deny that. He will dispute that.
That's what happened.
It is further my instruction that he was coerced to point at a place or at that particular place that he didn't know. He was never there previously.
He was never coerced by me, my Lord, and he never reported ever being coerced by anyone else.
So the defense also insinuated that even at those pointings out of the crime scenes, Sibiya was intimidated, something that Hadebe has denied.
Do you also dispute that there were members of the TRT police officers or police unit?
During the pointing out, there wasn't any member of the TRT.
Who was escorting you?
I was escorted by EMPD members.
How many were they?
They were in 2 cars, my Lord. I think there were 4.
So these members of the EMPD, were they also present during the pointing out?
My Lord, they kept a distance away from the pointing out.
Well, there was also another denial when Hadebe also denied knowing anything about the alleged assault of Sibiya at several locations.
When he was arrested on the 30th of May 2020, he was taken to a certain place in Litabong. It's a municipality area where he was assaulted. He was suffocated by the police. Furthermore, he was taken to, after Tembisa, he was taken to Vosloorus, where he was further assaulted. It is also a place, a municipality area. Do you have knowledge of that?
No, I don't.
He was also assaulted at the Kloof police station in the office, where during the assault, Colonel Mboto entered the office and the assault stopped. Do you have knowledge of that?
No, I don't have.
And Colonel Mboto was in possession of documents which he presented to the accused to sign. And he said to him, if you don't sign this document, I'll let these people to continue assaulting. Do you have knowledge of that?
My lord, I don't have knowledge.
So Hadebe's impartiality was also questioned.
Before you signed in that entry, did you read what is contained in that entry?
I think I would have went through it quickly because I was also not happy with the fact that they could not bring the suspect to me. So bring the book, I'll sign it. That's what I did.
Are you not running away, Lieutenant Colonel, from the fact that you knew when you took the accused by pointing that out that what charges he was facing? That is why we are saying that you did not read the entry of the SAP-10 when you signed for him.
My lord, I do not have any reason to run away from responsibility. And I cannot come here and play with the court's time. I take full responsibility of my actions.
I must put it to you that you knew before you went out with the accused what charge he was facing.
Before I went out to the office or out on pointing
Before
out.
you went out of the police station for the pointing out, you knew?
For the pointing out, I knew because I had interviewed the accused.
So Iman, with all the three defense lawyers having concluded their cross-examination of the witness, cross-examination will continue tomorrow when Advocate Zandile Mshololo starts her cross-examination of the witness.
Thank you so much. Sipho Kekana, our news reporter in court, bringing us the very latest on that trial. Hadebe certainly in the hot seat today. We'll continue to keep a watch on developments in the Senzo Meyiwa murder trial.